Today, I'm teaching you how to connect Google Calendar to Acuity Scheduling so your bookings sync automatically and you never double book again. Let's make your calendar work smarter. Go to acuityscheduling.com and log into your account. Once you're inside, look at the left sidebar and click Sync with other calendars. Then click the Connect to Google Calendar. A new window will pop up asking you to sign into your Google account. Choose the calendar you want to connect, then click Continue to give Acuity permission. Now, you choose how you want your calendar to sync. You can push Acuity appointments to Google Calendar or pull in Google Events to black out time. This makes sure you never book when you're already busy. Once you've chosen your settings, click Save, and that's it. Acuity will now sync with your Google Calendar in real time. And that's how easy it is to connect Google Calendar to your Acuity scheduling.